Hope you're doing good. So in this video, I'm gonna talk about only one thing, and my team member working on over there. So I'm just gonna talk about the one thing about which is like product description image. So most of the people want to know about the product description image, but 99% people actually fail. Why? Because product image is very much important. So in the product image, into the product image like description, should I keep any images or not? Okay, you must need to keep image. Okay, especially so if you have like any wearing, like you are a dress business, t-shirt business, jewelry business, so you should keep like model image. So model image wearing your product, like it might be dress, it might be t-shirt, it might be like whatever it is, it might be jewelry, right? And this is the one thing in the description you need to keep this, because model image, it actually make the emotion, all right? And close-up shot, they actually make the clarification, like I will buy the product. If I don't see very closely, I will not be able to understand how this product looks. So that's why it's so much important to understand this, justify, okay? And then clean shot, that actually make it clarity. So this is optional. If you want, you can keep it. If not, that's well fine. So let me tell you again, the golden rule for the especially like clothing brand and jewelry brand and this kind of brand. So model image for the emotion, this model image equal to emotion in a word, okay? And second thing, close-up shot, this is like clarification. And then right now you might tell me how I will generate this type of images, but I don't have any model, I don't have a budget. So in this case AI comes in, so I can do it for you using the AI. So in future, like you have to understand in today's digital age, if you don't understand how to use AI, you're 100% going to be fail, because in next 1 or 2 years after, you will see that everything doing AI. So you don't have, just you have to manage them. But I'm not talking about that there is no need human. Yeah, human need. Who actually like without human management, AI cannot do anything. So that's why you need to manage AI. So right now you need to understand how to manage AI. That's the thing exactly I'm talking about. Alright. So I hope you found this video helpful. So if you really like this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you want to know more, if you want to learn more, if you want to learn a lot of things, just all you have to do is just to comment. This is the one thing. And then also I will give my agency or website link, so if you want you can learn a lot of things from my agency. And then there we're providing free service. So that's the biggest opportunity. I forget to tell you. So we are providing free Shopify store. Okay, so you must need to understand this. So that's it. So thank you for watching this video so far. Sorry. So if you need really free Shopify store, you must need to comment, and you can visit on my agency website, and then you can message on the WhatsApp. Okay, so that's it. So thank you for watching this video so far. Have a nice day. Goodbye.